Kicking it with Juice.
Yeah, kicking it with your boy.
Your boy. What's up, mamas? Welcome back to another video. Okay guys, I know I look crazy right now. I just got up. I'm on my way to go get my hair done, and of course Juice is fucking late. I was texting him this morning, calling him because I was gonna be there by 10:30, but he wasn't answering the phone, so I was not trying to be sitting there. So I'm still gonna go get his spoiled ass some Chick-fil-A before I come. So yeah, if y'all don't know, I'm going on a vacation this weekend, so I'm gonna get my hair done. We're going to Vegas, and I'll definitely be vlogging that. But for the meantime, you guys are coming with me to get my hair done today, and you guys get to meet Juice, because my footage from my last video got deleted. So guys, this is fucking Juice right here, okay? Thank God he slays my hair, because me and this bitch is about to fight today. But look, my girl is nice and jet black. This is, cut that real quick. Cut the music, Juice. This is Dare to Have Hair. Look at this, jet black. Juice got this shit super black. Look at the lace, super thin. He bleached the knots. Thank God I love this boy, because we was about to fight this morning, y'all. But okay, guys, so now we're putting on the ball cap.
I don't want that. Ass barbecue.
Oh, what, the barbecue jerk? I do not like that.
I want to see it. Because you know normally
That's how that fire has their jerk.
Yeah.
I don't
want no barbecue sauce, bitch. I want that hot ass shit on my shit. I want to.
Yes.
Because it's too hot.
So right now we just ordered some food. What's your Instagram? Tell me your Instagram. Oh shit. There we go.
I was like, did he just turn his day ready?
He said ready, period. So I just.
You are getting why?
Everybody eats, B.
I'm gonna bring a plate. Let me know from there. If you want to grab one, bro. I'm gonna bring one. I got you. Okay.
So I just ordered some jerk salmon.
Jerk salmon.
Some candy yams. And some mac and cheese with a pink lemonade. Cause what I say, all us black people drink lemonade, and that's on period. And that's on period. Oh sis, wait, tell them your Instagram. You do hair, right?
Yes, and I also do graffiti.
Yes.
I customize clothes, shoes, bags, canvases, everything. And it's at Pretty Plain Jane, PrettyPlainJain.
Okay, and I'm gonna add that. And I'm gonna add
Yo, you are stupid.
I'm gonna be sure to add that in the description box if y'all did not catch that part.
Juice.
Juice is crazy.
I'm offended.
About to go on.
Sorry, 20.
Got a little salmon, little mac. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's it right there.
Oh, this is it? It's about to change my life? Okay. Period.
Not facts.
See, when y'all come
Not
up
with
in
the New
here
York. Where
at
you
Cut
from?
Creators,
New York, bro.
New
Where?
York, you get it?
Brooklyn.
I love Brooklyn.
Crown Heights. He's my dirty ass shop.
He is so, it's a spider.
What's going on here? Ooh, y'all think this one good? Is it
It's good.
Oh, he's back. He's here.
Who? The man
Yeah.
selling food?
Yeah, I'm putting him in a plate. That shit was good.
Call him for.
Back with another episode. Oh, what is this channel called? Kicking it with Juice.
Yeah, kicking it with your boy.
Your boy, Juice.
Boy.
Juicy J.
Juicy J. That's crazy. In high school, Juice, they really used to call me Juicy.
For real?
Because I used to always wear Juicy Couture, my little lame ass.
For real? You know why I got the name Juicy?
Why?
Because I used to be a big boy and all the dudes that wanted to fuck with me would be like, you so juicy.
What the fuck? Did you just make that up?
I swear to God.
Oh, so the niggas gave you that name.
This nigga, he was like, you never seen the movie Juice? I was like, no. He was like, you're in this one, because then I had this high top. I'm from the hood. We got it, baby.
That's what you know. Why did my motherfucking forehead was burning like that?
Burning.
Straight burning.
If I would have put that 99 on you, would have really been burning.
You know, it's hard to find anything over 70.
70, yeah.
It really is, because the hair stores, they only been selling 70.
I hate 70. I really buy 99. And as soon as I see 99, I buy it.
Yes.
Stick in the legs.
Huh?
Stick in the legs.
He's thick. He's thick.
No.
It's the calves.
It's the calves for me. Stupid.
Oh, I forgot to put my neck. Oh, that part is crispy.
Crispy, no crunch, babe.
Yeah, you keep doing that from them braids.
No.
That's what's going on. I know.
Oh, from yeah.
The bitch.
You are getting blocked.
Book the fuck up today, okay?
When you go in, I go sit on the far right because the far left
You vlogging?
on the bullshit.
Yes.
It's $100.
Oh, I like
$200.
What's tea?
He's so funny. I love him. I could talk to him all day.
Period.
Juice, why did you do this to me? Like,
You know.
okay guys, so my hair is all done. This is There to Have Hair Eurasian Wavy. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box in regards to the links and So I'm home right now with the baby and my mom. She's making buffalo dip, and me and Luke's are about to watch this. What are we watching again?
No Limit.
No Limit. 5-part series. So I'm gonna watch this with him. You know, I got a little Mighty. I am gonna watch it. I got a little bit of Mighty Freeze hookah, you know. Got a little margarita going, and we just relaxing. I'm gonna get prepared for the trip. I'm trying to think anything else. I will be restocking masks in about a week or two, and we just ordered the rest of the lip glosses, so they will be here in a week or two. So make sure you guys. Is that my phone? Oh, that's you. So make sure you guys stay up to date with that. I'm gonna put all the information in my description box. And I love you guys so much. Oh my God, y'all. The baby cries so much that her voice is hoarse right now. Like, her cry doesn't even sound normal. So she didn't cry herself out. Y'all hear that? It's not funny, but it's like, oh my God, poor baby. Oh no, she got it out. She got it out. But make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.